We want to find the unknown lengths in each of the triangles below, so that's the x here. Now note this side is the hypotenuse, and Pythagoras' theorem says that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, where the c is the hypotenuse. So the other sides can be a and b, and it really doesn't matter which one's which. So the hypotenuse here is x, so that's x squared, is going to be 12 squared plus 5 squared. So x squared is going to be 12 squared add 5 squared, which is 169, and therefore x would be the square root of 169, which I happen to know is 13, but just to show you that's the case on the calculator, I'll do the square root of the last answer, and you see it's 13. So x is going to be 13 centimeters. And now we've got another one here, and again we're finding the hypotenuse. So this is the c, let's say that's a and that's b. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. You should always start by stating the theorem, and then the hypotenuse is x, so x squared is going to be 6 squared plus 3 squared. So x squared is going to be 6 squared add 3 squared, which is 45. So x would be the square root of 45. That's known as an exact answer. We'll give a calculated answer. So the square root of 45 is, this calculator gives it as 3 root 5, but most likely your calculator will give a decimal like that, and I'm going to round that to 2 decimal places and say that's 6.71 centimeters, and since I've rounded it, I should say that I've rounded it to 2 decimal places. Note the rounding, 6.708, the 8 rounds the 0 up to the 1.